did it come about?
I think Zoya started this. And Zoya and Farhan came to me, to all of us, and I thought that was the best thing that could ever happen. And I believe that they were the highest paid writers then. They're not leaving that position only. Even now, look at this. और ये तो अच्छा है, they didn't pursue acting. And they didn't write for themselves. नहीं तो look at them. आजकल भी ऐसे दो हीरो नहीं मिलेंगे आपको. है ना?
बहुत शुक्रिया. Ritesh, I hope Mike is near you or will come to you. As someone who entered the film industry without any...
Nobody really knew what happened. And after making this series, we've discovered we still don't know what happened with them. Nobody
That will
knew.
come in the next season.
That's the next season.
Season 2.
Yeah. So
That one is really controversial.
yeah, somewhere you discover that no matter whatever happened, there was a respect intact. And that was like no one spoke beyond something, and I think that was something heartening.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Shall I go to Farhan?
Please do.
Thank you so much. Farhan, I hope Mike is magically near you. Thank you so much. I want to ask you how Salim Javad's work has inspired you as a writer and filmmaker, and then I'll ask you my next question.
Before later.
हमारा पहले से जगह है यहाँ पे.
I can say जो भी मैं बोलने वाला था सब बोल चुके हैं. अपने बाबू.
आपकी इजाजत हो तो.
थोड़े जोया है जी.
जोया के साथ शुरू करें. जोया जी, इजाजत है. बहुत शुक्रिया. Zoya, I want to start by saying a big thank you to all of you on this stage. As someone who's grown up on the movies, we need a more docu-series that tell us about the films. I'm sure.
I mean, we have to work under a lot of pressure, and he was already used to it.
Let him say it.
You please say.
आप ही बोल दो अभी.
Because Madlik's pressure cooker belonged to him. So he'd already come from that background of working under pressure.
Well, I must say, Rima, I hope Mike will be with you soon. Excel Entertainment, Tiger Baby and Prime Video together have given us so many great stories. Whether it's Made in Heaven Season 1, Season 2, Someone Make Some Noise, it's my favorite show. Yes, thank you. The Hard, thank you for The Hard very recently. I think this is amazing, this partnership between you and Prime Video. So, आपको दिखा दें ये ट्रेलर? ऐसे नहीं दिखाएंगे, आपसे थोड़ा सा और प्यार मिले तो दिखा देंगे. Thank you so much. We'll go backstage and we'll clear the stage to watch the trailer of Angry Young Men. Thank you. That defined our entire lives, our personalities. And if you feel the same way, would you please put your hands together for Angry Young Men? That is going to be dropping on the 20th of August on Prime Video.
240 countries.
Can I also mention, it's very rare to have such a strength, such a show of wonderful family coming together. So I'm going to ask...
आपने जावेद साहब का प्रोडक्शन तो देख लिया, अब सलीम खान का भी प्रोडक्शन देख लीजिए. कम सोहेल, कम अलवीरा, अर्पिता, कम. क्या सवाल है ये? अब इस सवाल का जवाब तो कुछ और ही होगा कि जब से कुछ समझ में आया तो सलीम जावेद ही समझ में आया, बाकी के कोई नहीं समझ रहा.
Thank you. A question to both of you, Salim Saab and you. All of the women on the docu have said you were brats. You were brats. You were not humble, and you knew your worth. Some of those women are sitting right here. Thank you. Thank you for joining us today. It's so wonderful.
No, I must, in all honesty, accept that Salim Javed stepped on many people's feet. But to begin with, those feet should not have been there.
सलीम साहब आपसे जरूर सुनना चाहेंगे.
बाकी खाने के बाद
लंच टाइम हो गया है.
डायरेक्टर से सुन लेते हैं.
There's a lot of actors. तो वो वहाँ से आता है कि ये लोग अपने आप को समझते कि इनका दिमाग खराब हो गया है. दिमाग इनका नहीं खराब हो रहा था, दिमाग इनका चल ही रहा था और बहुत अच्छे तरीके से चल रहा था क्योंकि ये हिट पे हिट दिए जा रहे थे. और जिनके साथ ये काम नहीं कर पाए, फॉर डेट्स और प्लॉट पसंद नहीं आया, वो व्हाटएवर, शक्ल पसंद नहीं आई, जो भी है, कैरेक्टर पसंद नहीं आया, वो उन्होंने इनको तय कर दिया कि इनका दिमाग खराब था, लेकिन एक्चुअली इनका नहीं था. जिन्होंने इनको ये बोला है वो उनका दिमाग खराब है.
Well, thank you so much. Manish, I'm going to take this to you quick.
Fahad and Javed sir, they're men, they're still men because they want to be men.
Yeah, ideally, this is the point where we drop our mics and go backstage. But there's a couple of more questions, and don't shoot the messenger. I would love for Reema to get in a word at this point. Reema, this is my favorite question. Okay.